Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Here is your teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Let's start our today's class. So just open your notebooks. Okay, open your notebooks. Today we are going to do the written work of Unit 2, War and Peace. So prepare your page, write down the day over here. It's Tuesday, so write Tuesday. Classwork number 6, and the date is 21st July 2020. Okay, and also mention the page number on the top of the page. Okay, then write down the headings like Unit 2, War and Peace, the paper cranes of peace. Write it with blue marker. Question number 1 here is, what is origami and what are its essential rules? So the answer is, origami is the very ancient Japanese art of paper folding. It actually began in China but spread to Japan by the 6th century. Draw the finishing line. Question 2 is, what did the Japanese legend have to say about folding origami cranes? The Japanese legend says that whoever folds 1,000 origami cranes will live a long life. Draw the ending line. Question number 3 is, what happened in Hiroshima in Japan in 1945? On 6th August 1945, a B-29 bomber dropped the world's first atomic bomb on Hiroshima. The atomic bomb exploded at 8:15 a.m., 580 meters above the city center. Finishing line. Question 4 is, what were the immediate and long-term consequences of this event? Answer, 10 of thousands of people were killed instantly by the blast, and the death toll rose to between 180,000 and 200,000 over the following years, as the terrible after effects of the atomic bomb claimed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people. These were the immediate and the long-term effects or consequences of the event. Okay, then turn your pages and write down the next question. Question number 5, why did Sadako develop leukemia? Sadako developed leukemia due to contamination by the atomic bomb. Question number 6, how did Sadako's wish change as she folded her cranes in hospital? Sadako's wish changed as she folded cranes in hospital. She wished that this kind of atrocity should never happen again. There should be no more bombs or wars. Her wish was for peace. 7th question is, how have her friends from all over Japan and the world helped to keep her story and her wish alive? Her friends were determined that she should be remembered and her wish be fulfilled. Young people from all over Japan contributed money for the project. In 1958, a statue of Sadako holding a golden crane was unveiled in Hiroshima Peace Park. Draw the ending line. So this was all about your written task. Do your work in neat and clean writing. Use blue marker for the question and blue fountain pen for the answer, and draw the ending line at the end of each and every question. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.